How can yogis get more comfortable being on camera? So number one is take some time to practice, right? Being on camera takes time to get used to. So get ready, put your favorite outfit on, start playing with the lighting situation, and honestly, just have a little bit of fun with it. Those are your 4 best options to get started with. You don't have to do it all crazy fancy. That's not the point from the beginning, right? When you're starting out, one of the best things you can do is just show up, right? Just show up, put your energy out there, express yourself to your students, share your message. I am a huge believer that the message triumphs the medium. Okay, what does that mean? It means what you're saying and what you're sharing with people is more important than the method in which it's delivered. A book, in person, a workshop, a webinar, a recorded video, a live Zoom. It doesn't matter, because if your message is authentic, if you're sharing from your heart center, and if you're doing what you're passionate about, that will come through. It doesn't matter how you're delivering it. The students are gonna sense that and they're gonna love you for it, all right? So show up, try it out. And you know what? One of the best things you can do with all of this is just remember, hey, record it. And if you don't like it, don't post it. Very simple. Just try it out for yourself. You can always modify, you can always edit, you can always play with it. Do another take, right? Record it again. And then over time, as you keep showing up, you're gonna see you get a little bit better, a little bit better, a little bit better in both your skill and your confidence, all right? If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.